Every morning is a beginning, a silent promise that your body gives you, another chance to feel alive. Before the rush of the day, before the noise and the scrolling and the endless to-dos, your body wakes quietly, asking for one thing: renewal. The truth is, healing doesn't happen in the gym or even in sleep alone. It happens in those first sacred moments after you open your eyes, when your body shifts from restoration to activation. That's the moment when you decide what kind of energy you'll live with today. And it begins not with perfection, but with something beautifully simple, a morning routine that helps you flush out yesterday's toxins and recharge your inner battery for the day ahead. Let's start with what most of us forget. While you sleep, your body doesn't stop working. It detoxifies. It repairs cells, clears metabolic waste, and balances hormones. But when you wake up, that cleansing process is incomplete. Toxins are still circulating, waiting to be flushed out. That's why what you do in the first hour of your day matters more than you think. You can either support your body's cleanup crew or slow it down. You can begin the day like a stagnant pond or like a flowing river. The first act of cleansing is not complicated. It begins with water, pure, simple, powerful. Your body loses hydration through breathing, sweating, and detoxification overnight. That morning fog, that grogginess, it's often just dehydration wearing the mask of fatigue. Before coffee, before breakfast, before anything, drink a full glass of warm water. Add lemon if you like, for vitamin C, for gentle alkalinity, for taste. But even plain water will do wonders. It wakes up your organs, stimulates digestion, and signals your liver and kidneys that it's time to release. Think of it as rinsing your system from the inside out, washing away the remnants of yesterday so your cells can start fresh. Then move, not to burn calories but to circulate life. You don't need a gym or a complex routine, just move your body enough to awaken it. Stretch, walk barefoot for a few minutes, roll your shoulders, open your chest, twist your spine. When you move, you increase lymphatic flow, the silent river that carries toxins away from your tissues. Unlike blood, your lymph doesn't have a pump. It relies on motion. That's why movement in the morning is medicine. It activates your inner drainage system. 10 minutes of mindful movement can do more for detox than an hour of overexertion later in the day. Breathe deeply as you move. Let oxygen flood your cells. Because oxygen is nature's cleanser, it burns away stagnation and infuses your body with life. After water and movement, give your body the light it craves. Step outside, even for a moment. Let morning sunlight touch your eyes and skin. This simple act resets your circadian rhythm, your internal clock. It tells your body that day has begun, that it's time to produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone, which later converts into melatonin, your sleep hormone. Morning light not only wakes your mind, it balances your hormones and regulates your energy for the entire day. The body doesn't thrive in darkness or screens, it thrives in sunlight and rhythm, so make it a ritual, sunlight before scroll time. Now, let's talk about nourishment, not breakfast in the commercial sense, but cellular fuel. After hydration and movement, your body is ready to receive nutrients. But before loading it with heavy foods, begin with something light, a detox elixir that continues what your organs began overnight. Here are a few options, each with its own magic. Lemon water with a pinch of sea salt restores electrolytes and stimulates the liver. Warm water with turmeric and black pepper, anti-inflammatory and detoxifying. A shot of aloe vera or wheatgrass juice supports digestion and skin health. Cucumber mint water, hydrating and cooling, gentle on the stomach. These drinks don't just hydrate, they signal your body to cleanse. They wake the liver, flush the kidneys, and prepare your digestive tract for food. Think of them as turning on your body's internal washing machine, a gentle spin before the day begins. After you've cleansed and hydrated, it's time to feed your energy, intentionally. Breakfast isn't meant to fill you, it's meant to fuel you. Choose foods that are alive, not lifeless, rich in enzymes, fiber, and antioxidants. A smoothie with spinach, banana, flaxseed, and almond milk. A bowl of oats with chia, berries, and honey. A slice of avocado toast with lemon and black pepper. These are not diet foods, they are energy conductors. They help your metabolism ignite naturally without burdening your digestion. Heavy, greasy breakfasts demand energy. They don't give it. Light, vibrant foods share energy. They make you feel clear, not full. But cleansing isn't only physical, it's mental, because stress, resentment, and overthinking are toxins too. That's why every true morning routine needs silence. Before you check your phone, before you reach for news or notifications, take 5 minutes to breathe. Sit somewhere quiet, eyes closed, and let your breath become your rhythm. Inhale peace, exhale clutter. The body and mind detoxify together, one through organs, one through awareness. When you calm your thoughts in the morning, you're not just relaxing, you're resetting your entire nervous system. Your digestion improves, your mood steadies, your decisions become intentional instead of reactive. That's not spirituality, that's neurobiology. Now, if you want to amplify this cleansing routine, add a practice that's ancient yet powerful: dry brushing. Before you shower, use a soft bristle brush to gently sweep your skin in upward strokes, from feet to heart, hands to chest. It exfoliates, yes, but more importantly, it stimulates lymph flow and blood circulation. It awakens the largest organ of detox, your skin. Follow with a cool or contrast shower, warm to relax, cool to invigorate. The contrast improves circulation, strengthens your immune system, and leaves you feeling reborn. And after all this, pause, just for a moment. Stand still. Feel your heartbeat, your breath, the warmth of your skin. That's what aliveness feels like. You didn't take a supplement or chase an energy drink. You built your energy, naturally. You supported your body instead of fighting it. That's what true vitality means. Energy earned through harmony. But let's be honest, no routine works if it feels like a burden. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. You don't have to do everything every day. Maybe some mornings it's just warm water. Maybe others, a walk outside. The point is intention. To choose even one small act that says, I care for myself today, because your body listens. It responds to kindness faster than to pressure. When you keep showing up, one breath, one sip, one stretch at a time, you begin to notice changes that no mirror or metric can measure. Your skin looks clearer, your mind feels calmer, food tastes better. You move through your day with steadier energy, not that nervous caffeine buzz, but a grounded current of strength that lasts. That's the feeling of your body finally trusting you again. And that's what this morning ritual is truly about. Trust. You and your body in partnership. Every time you wake, hydrate, move, breathe, and nourish, you're reminding your cells that life flows forward. You're flushing not just toxins, but yesterday's heaviness, the regret, the fatigue, the emotional residue. You're saying, today, I begin again. So tomorrow morning, before the world pulls you into its noise, pause, step out of bed slowly, stretch, drink your water like medicine. Breathe in gratitude for the gift of a new day. Feel your body awaken, not because of caffeine or chaos, but because it's being cared for. Let your routine be your quiet rebellion, a ritual of peace in a world of rush. Your body isn't asking for luxury, it's asking for rhythm. Hydrate, move, breathe, nourish, repeat. That's not a trend, that's biology in its purest truth. Flush what doesn't serve you, fuel what makes you thrive, and watch how morning turns from something you survive into something sacred you create. Stay light, stay clear, stay alive. And remember, every sunrise is a reset. Welcome it fully. This is Vital Dynasty.